Hello everyone! Hopefully you have been enjoying SketchUp. Today we're going to do one more tutorial and it's going to be on a sandbox. So let's go ahead and get started. In Google Classroom, we're going to use SketchUp to create a turtle sandbox. Watch the video first, then open up Google Drive. In Drive, click Go to Drive. Remember, SketchUp can be found under New, More, and then down to SketchUp. Please be patient. We will be using feet and inches today. And we can go ahead and delete the man, click on him, and hit backspace. To make our turtle sandbox, we want to first start with a circle. So we're going to go over to the square tool, but we're going to choose the circle. I'm going to click and hold on the ground to make my circle for my sandbox. Once I have my circle for my sandbox, I want to get a better view of it. I'm going to use my orbit tool, and I'm going to rotate to the top of it. What I first want to do is add legs. I'm going to go back to my circle tool, and I'm going to add a leg. Right on the midpoint, I'm going to click and hold and drag. Now I want all of my legs to be equal. So I'm going to follow the line around until I have a 90-degree turn. I'm going to click and hold and drag. Following the line, I want to make sure that it is equal. You'll see all of these lines appear whenever it is equal distance to the other leg. I'm going to follow it around to another halfway point. Click and hold and drag. Follow the line to make sure all of them are equal. And then go to the last leg. Click and hold and drag. Follow the line to make sure that they are all equal. Now I want to put on the head of the turtle. It's going to be in between these two legs. Find the midpoint. Click and hold and drag. This will be a bigger head. And I'll let go. The next thing I want to do is I want to delete part of the legs. I'm going to go to my eraser tool. Clicking on the eraser, making sure that the point is right on the circle of that eraser, I'm going to click. Click, click, and click. Now I want to make the hole for my sandbox. I'm going to go to the push-pull. Only this time, I want to use this offset button. I'm going to click and hold in the offset and drag. It gives me the same symbol for my sandbox. Now I'll let go. I'm going to erase the mark in the head, and I'm also going to erase the legs. This is the point that I want to raise now. So I'm going to go to my push-pull once again, orbit, and pull up on the outside edge. Now I'm going to pull up on the turtle's head as well. Rotate, push-pull, up. Now I want to also maybe pull up on the ground as well inside the turtle box to make way for the sand. Now I'm ready to color in my sandbox. I'm going to go to my materials. Choose colors. Slide down for green. Click on all of the angles of turtle. You'll have to orbit around to get all of the angles. Now I want to fill it with sand. I'm going to look for landscape, fencing, and vegetation. Look for sand. Fill your sandbox with sand. Try to add your turtle sandbox today. Maybe add other things around it as well. It's your time to sketch up. Follow these directions and see what you can do. Good luck.